Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We may imagine it to be a relatively unchanging structure, but recent research has shown that the brain is in fact continuously changing its microstructure, and it does so by eating itself. The processes of eating things outside the cell, including other cells, is called phagocytosis. 1 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
At a more advanced level, sleep deprivation can overstimulate parts of the brain and even lead to permanent brain damage, according to a report on sleep deprivation among students published by The Guardian. This is because of the brain's neuroplasticity, which means its ability to adapt to new situations.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It is possible for the brain to heal itself, with new brain cells growing to replace damaged ones, but much of the recovery we experience is actually due to the brain rewiring itself and finding new pathways to bypass recently broken connections. 13 May 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some amount of brain shrinkage occurs naturally as people age. Other potential causes of brain shrinkage include injury, certain diseases and disorders, infections, and alcohol use. Just as the body ages, so does the brain. But not all brains age the same.
Take our lead.
Your brain does eventually heal itself. This neuroplasticity or brain plasticity is the more recent discovery that gray matter can actually shrink or thicken. Neural connections can be forged and refined or weakened and severed. Changes in the physical brain manifest as changes in our abilities.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Normal brain aging. As people age, their bodily systems, including the brain, gradually decline. Slips of the mind are associated with getting older. That said, people often experience those same slight memory lapses in their 20s but do not give it a second thought.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.